just going to call this quiz review, okay? Quiz/test review. So remember, if you want to go from probability to odds, the difference between probability and odds is that probability always has a total, odds does not have a total. Okay, so if you go from 3/7, let's say, and you want to turn this into odds, what would you do? You would go 3 to 7, but you make sure you subtract this guy. So it's 3 to 4 is what I would want you to have there. And remember, you should always be able to add these two numbers to get your total that you see under your probability. Odds to probability. Let's come up with a different one here. I'm going to go 19 to 21. Like, let's say the odds of, the Jets winning, or odds of you name it. Okay? So the probability would be 19 plus 21, and then you'd slap either the 19 or the 21 on top. You have to be careful. That'd be 19 over 40. So you got to know the difference there. I think I'll also talk about this. Odds of event. If it says odds of event, that means that event comes first and the event not happening comes second. Odds against, the exact opposite. This is on page 97. Another thing is theoretical versus experimental. Theoretical is based on, what should happen. In the long run. Based on what happened trials, spins, rolls, etc. Okay. 97. Oh, I will in a bit. It's also being recorded, so in case you missed it, it's going to be, I'm just going to finish this and then I'll let you see the whole thing. This is on page 97. So what's the difference here? For example, a quick example. If you had, blue, yellow, and green. So probability of yellow would be what? 1 out of 3, correct? Experimental, you would not look at that. You would look at some sort of table and you split it up. You'd have blue, yellow, green, and let's say it landed here 20 times, 13 times, 7 times. Probability of yellow would be 13 out of, what would this be out of? 40, right? they're different. Theoretical probability should be approximately equal to experimental if sample is large enough. This is messy because I'm just, like, honestly, I'm just doing this. I'm improvising on this one. I don't have anything like this ready. But that way you know those two. Also, don't forget, independent versus dependent probability. Okay? Items are replaced or total does not change. Items are being replaced or total doesn't change. For dependent, no replacement, total changes. As soon as you have something happening, you're like, wait a minute, the total has changed. No, I don't have the same total anymore. Examples, you'll have to go look up. I'm trying to look for the pages real quick here. Page 49 to 50. I'm just going to tell you starting in page 49 and on, you can look that up. Okay, page 49 and on, you can look that up. And then you have expected value. Okay. Positive EV, play. Negative EV, don't play. I would say pages 70, actually page 69 plus. That's where the concept starts. So if you want more examples there, you can do that. If you just want random review material, 54 to 68, I believe. I'm just gonna check to make sure I don't give you the wrong pages. 54 to 68, that is it. So review, page 54 to 68. If you just want, it doesn't have expected value, but it does everything else. Okay. Plus the AC I'm going to give you to take home. It's up to you if you want to do it or not.